Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure EMR for Hadoop and Spark processing on AWS step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the EMR dashboard. Click on the Create Cluster button. In the Cluster Configuration section, provide a meaningful name for your cluster. Choose the EMR release version compatible with your requirements. Select the Hadoop and Spark applications from the application list. Adjust the instance type based on your processing needs. For the number of instances, input the appropriate count for your workload. In the General Cluster Settings, configure the security settings. Select or create a new EC2 key pair for secure access. Move to the Security and Access section to define network configurations. Choose an existing VPC or create a new one depending on your setup. Configure the subnet that will host the EMR cluster. Set up the IAM roles for EMR to grant the necessary permissions. Review the list of permissions and ensure they are appropriate for your use case. Opt to enable logging for enhanced tracking of your cluster activities. You may also enable debugging options if required. After reviewing all settings, click on the Create Cluster button to launch it. Wait for the cluster to transition into a running state. Once running, access the cluster details to monitor the health and progress. Navigate to the Software Configuration section to validate the installed applications. Use SSH to connect to your master node for further custom configurations. Launch your specific Hadoop and Spark jobs via the command line or scripts. Monitor job progress through the EMR console or application logs. After job completion, review the output data in the specified S3 bucket. Make necessary post-processing adjustments or data transformations as needed. When finished, use the EMR console to terminate the cluster to avoid unnecessary charges. Confirm the cluster is terminated and no longer incurring costs. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.